There is no doubt eggs are crucial for a healthy breakfast. Eggs are a good source of protein. They also contain heart-healthy unsaturated fats, a great source of vitamin B6, B12, vitamin D, and other important nutrients. If you love poached eggs, hit the like button and watch till the end. Today we will share the easiest way to poach an egg without fail. Subscribe for more healthy recipes. Take a round-shaped spoon. Add a drop of cooking oil and spread it evenly. Now place the egg in the spoon carefully. Hold the spoon on boiling water while the egg white is getting a little bit harder. Once the egg white gets a bit harder, sink the egg for 30 seconds. Remove the extra white if you need. Now take out the egg from the water. Your perfectly poached egg is ready to enjoy.